First of all, not be everybody sabi rap, and not be everybody sabi sing, make we clap. Second of all, some sound like wannabes with a pen. If not be the boys, then not the three men. Listen up now, try a little bit to be yourself. Don't be by force to be artist, kill yourself. Not go stop till all my yarns will be felt. If guilty conscience got you, my guy, make you melt. See, some of these cats don't understand this game, and some of these cats just they sound the same. Thief beats and rhymes just to get the fame. If no be for God, I for don't say your name. And you to God, some artists just they piss me off. Tight beats and producer, but the artists go they cough. They spoil show for boys and still them go they puff. From now on, man, you enough is enough. They say them sabiba, which kind nonsense be that? They say them song time, which kind nonsense be that? They say them they on top, which kind nonsense be that? We sing the hip hop, which kind nonsense be that? You say you sabiba, which kind nonsense be that? You say your song time, which kind nonsense be that? You think you want time, which kind nonsense be that? We sing the hip hop, which kind nonsense be that? Some kind artists no get liver for stage. Then they reach there, they put the whole crowd for rage. Afro hip hop, come on, you're doing more damage. We get respect, let's talk about paying homage. I don't tire. So they hear wax songs for radio. I don't tire. Those songs they spoiled my stereo. I don't tire. I don't even get good video. I don't tire. And then go they pose like Baba Frayo. Which kind nonsense be that? They say them song time. Which kind nonsense be that? They say them they on top. Which kind nonsense be that? We sing the hip hop. Which kind nonsense be that? You say you sabiba. Which kind nonsense be that? You say your song time. Which kind nonsense be that? You think you want time? Which kind nonsense be that? We sing the hip hop. Which kind nonsense be that?
Tribe Records. The Tribe. Who you thought it was? 2Shotz.